Yo, what's poppin', Success Nation? Maverick right here, and today we're back with another video review of Viral Ecom Ads, which is another agency that helps to create a good video advert for your dropshipping or e-commerce products. Now, it's a service whereby you pay for the service of an e-com video advert specialist, and it's majorly targeted towards TikTokers and also probably some Reels adverts, but it's majorly targeted for TikTokers. All right. So now these guys can help you, create several videos like animation videos. That's what they claim. Actually, that they can help you create some animation videos and also explanation videos and a few others. As you can see right there on their page, you can see Viral Ecom ads, video ads, UGC ads, animation ads, VIP members, which is for those that have probably subscribed to their platform. I'm only UGC. And you can see right there 75% off and 24 hours delivery. So that is about us guys. And right here as a sample of one of their, some of their type of adverts. You can see split testing and ads package, which is for ads variation for one product. We have that one is $15. Video ads package, $10. TikTok split testing package, $12.50. And like that. And also you get some deduction and all that just for you to get started with them. And if we scroll down a little, you can see more. And okay, I think right here is the VIP membership. So for $50 per month, you get VIP is the $50 per month rather. Those are for the advanced. Maybe you want more plan, you want more videos, so you can just subscribe to their VIP and you'll get that. You can see your first name, last name, email address, your credit card, and you'll also apply a coupon right there. So you can see this is all about this guys, and also they claim to have more than 50,000 videos created for more than 20,000 plus clients. So that is what this guys claim. So meaning they've created over 50,000 video adverts. Okay, wow, that's huge. That's huge, and to more than you mean for more than 20,000 clients. Okay, who have stores, e-commerce stores, Shopify stores, and several other stores out there, and those that are running expensive, like not expensive, those that are running paid adverts. Talking about the frequently asked questions. You can see the who is this for, what do I get, and also does the discount apply for all packages. I'm very certain that you might have checked that out already. Now, before I get head over to some other pages like the frequently asked page entirely, let me talk about this concerning, like, from my research, what did I think about this, because that is exactly why you're here today. You want to learn more about this. You want to know exactly if this is the right step for you to take, right? So let's talk about a little bit about that. And the first thing you have to know is that talking about the legitimacy of this from my research. Now, it can be drop servicing. Okay, this is what we call drop servicing, because sometimes you might feel like these guys are the one creating this product for you, but it doesn't actually matter that they are the one. That is what you have to know. It might be that these guys are delegating it to freelancers out there. Now, what you have to know is that there are several freelancers out there that are doing this stuff. Okay, if you go to Fiverr, you can see there are several other people that are creating video adverts and all that. So these guys can be doing drop servicing. That is what you have to know. Okay, so the video advert given to you, it doesn't necessarily mean that okay they are actually the one doing it, and don't feel too much glorious okay about it. So you have to be very careful when it comes to this. So that is my first thought about this type of service, which is the Viral Ecom ads service. Now the advertisements kind of look the same, okay, because they use the same uniform templates for each customers, okay. So that is another thing, okay. Based on some of the stuff that I've seen online, some of their stores kind of look the same, okay. So it's kind of difficult to distinguish between one or the other. I mean, taking a look at even this example, for example, you can see that they kind of look the same, okay. So it's kind of them using the same uniform template for the type of video adverts. Just think about it. These guys claim that they've created video adverts for over 20,000 clients, and over 50,000 video adverts have been created by them. And take a look at, like, just from the look of things, you know that there should be some kind of difficulty when it comes to distinguishing between some of the adverts. So these guys can use the same template. That is why sometimes some people prefer to just use some freelancers on Fiverr who have less customers, that people who are still kind of new. So maybe those ones will still have a unique template for them to model on. So that is what you have to know. And if you check samples from editors on Fiverr, you will also notice a striking resemblance among all the videos. So some of their videos, by the time you check Fiverr and you check some of the videos that they create, you realize that it's kind of have a resemblance with those from Fiverr. Okay, so meaning these guys kind of be delegating their work to freelancers. So it doesn't mean that the person who owns this agency is actually the one creating the videos, which can make it look so synonymous to others out there. Talking about the video quality also can be a major setback, because these guys here couldn't even justify if their video quality is too authentic or perfect. Now, their video quality are not really that perfect, so that is what you also have to know when it comes to using these guys for your video adverts. that is it about some of the things that I think, and from my research, some of the things that I've been able to get together concerning these guys for you. But however, if all those things are okay with you and you feel like you can go with it, then you can surely go for it. Now let's check out the frequently asked question aspect so that we can be able to know more about this agency. All right. Okay, so right here in the frequently asked question, if we scroll down a little bit, you can see how much does your videos cost. You can see you can view our pricing on our product page. One video is $40, 3 videos is $100, 5 videos $150, and 10 videos $250. Now you can see how it works, whereby you choose the video package, you like to order, you submit your payments on the order form, and after that, you automatically be emailed the link to fill out the video submission form, which you ask and all that. And you can see here we have how are the videos created. You can see our video editors use clips from YouTube and premium stock videos. We always create a brand new video for each client and always make them highly engaging with great visuals and tactful sales copy. All right. So but what you have to know is that sometimes if there are some clips used from YouTube, you have to be careful about that, because what if that person kind of sue you for using their copy, okay, their video. Like if you're using a particular video from YouTube, it's certain that such a person also might be the creator for that YouTube video. So you have to be very careful with videos or agencies like this using videos from YouTube for you. And also, how long will it take for you to receive your video? Well, that doesn't really take long. And can I get copyright claim? You can see that this aspect is what I want to talk about, which is they're telling you that you very well can, although it's still better than straight up copying someone else's video, but there's still a risk in the video clip. However, these guys are kind of straightforward with you, telling you that you can still get some copyright claim because of the YouTube aspect. Although there are some videos that they might not be able to get when it comes to stock videos, but it's not. But for them using some YouTube videos, then you need to know that sometimes you can get copyright claim. However, it's also okay that if you're able to kind of create a video yourself, then you can possibly send it to them to help you to create it, or use some Fiverr guys to help you out directly, because these guys also are delegating to freelancers. That is just what you have to know. Their major work is like drop servicing, so that is why I don't really flow with them. And another major aspect I want to talk about here is the Viral Ecom community, which these guys also have. I think that's a great opportunity for a lot of people that might want to be in a group of people that share the same idea with them. Let's check that out and let's see how that page looks. So you can see right here is the page Viral Ecom World. It's a community whereby they put together the best in the industry to create ecosystem and how there. It's more like an ecom community, which you can also join. I feel it's a good one and it's free for you to join. And you can see right there, you're able to network and do some other stuff. Although I'm not an affiliate for these guys, okay, I'm just letting you know some of the stuff that you might have not known. But I think all these are also a good way, because by the time you join the community, you're able to mingle with others who are also in the ecom world. But however, this is a good one. If you're a beginner, you can decide to give them a try. But just know that some of the things that these guys do, they also delegate it to freelancers. But you can give them a try. It's not bad, and you can also use this as a stepping stone. If you're already an expert in the ecom world, you can give this a try. Also, it's not bad and it's a good one. So you can see right here they have some calls, and you can just try and check this out by scrolling down to the Viral Ecom community aspect, whereby you get access to these and you might be able to join them. So if you're a beginner in dropshipping e-commerce, you can give this a try. They're a good one just with the way I see them, and for them having a community, it means that they are legitimate. But however, on their video also, you stand more chance of getting copyright sometimes, but you can still cope with that sometimes in case you don't get copyright. It's also a good one for you. So that is it about this video. However, if you're a newbie, maybe you are new in the internet marketing space and you're looking for a way to make money online, maybe e-com is something new to you and you're wondering if it's the best choice for you to make, then it's a good one. But I also have another opportunity for you, which I am into, and it's called the YouTube Short Plus Affiliate Marketing type of business, whereby we create 5-second silence YouTube short videos and we sell affiliate products with them. Now, the thing about this is that you can get started with this with zero capital, meaning you don't even have to spend a dime to get started, because even the affiliate product is owned by someone else, which you get a commission, 50%, 70% commission to promote it. So you even get more money than the product owner, and you promote with YouTube Shorts or TikTok. This is what we do. And if you have interest in this, you can click the link in the video description to learn from my mentor. I don't have a course, I don't sell course. This is just me giving you an opportunity to also earn online with a business that doesn't require any money. And this is easy because all you need to do is to create a 5-second silence YouTube short videos whereby you don't have to talk but just pointing to your screen, or probably just showing only your screen and not your face, and you can promote products and also earn ads revenue from YouTube. And very certain that sometimes if you open your YouTube, you're gonna see some videos that is silent video, the person is not talking at all, and they have millions of views or hundreds of thousands of views, and these guys are using those videos to make money. If you want to learn how to do that and also implement that, just click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're gonna see a link there, copy paste it in your browser and head straight to learn more about this. Thank you very much for your time. If this video is helpful, hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos, and also hit the thumbs up and like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. Thank you very much for your time. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.